Yeah, and then my daughter is Emma.
Emma.
She should be on there.
Emma.
Yes.
Okay. I just need you to check here, and you can also sign the initial here for her as well.
Okay, I will do that for her.
Okay.
Hey guys, Richard here. Oh, can you see me? The sun is bright. Oh, look, there's a trash can behind us back there. Emma and Richard here with E-Bike Reviews and Adventures. Hey, we're here at Florida E-Bikes right back there because they're hosting an event today by Aima Tech, and we're going to do a riding event. They're going to launch a new product today, and we happen to have that with us because, hey, we brought our own bikes, and right there they are. But we're going to have a good time today. We're going to meet a few folks and take a look at the store later too, so make sure you stick around. Here we go. I'd like to maybe later come in and just do a separate video just of your store, if that's all right.
Absolutely. Are you guys riding with us?
Yeah. Aima sent us the Big Sur and also the Key West, so we got both of them with us today.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited that you're here and that you can join us.
Yeah, thank you. It's good to be here. Good to be here. All right. Excited? Yeah. Of course we are. Yeah, I'm Richard.
Lyle, you fun?
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yes,
finally.
family.
How's the drive here? It's pretty good.
You know, we only live about an hour away, but traffic is just horrible getting down this side of town because we live on the north side of town. So morning traffic is just, it's always bad. So we were almost late. We were concerned we were going to be late because we left plenty of time, plenty early, but there was an accident and it was a mess.
Right on time, I guess.
Yeah, for sure.
So here is our checking table, and you can get some like goodie bags. We have like water bottles, bunch of those stuff, and also the T-shirt.
Oh, right on. Okay, all right.
Yeah. And I would recommend you, because you wear shorts, like T-shirts here.
Yeah.
I recommend you put one of these on to prevent like the sunburn.
Sun. Yeah, we're used to being in the sun. We keep sunscreen on all the time, but yeah, for sure.
Awesome.
For sure. We'll go check out that table here in just a moment.
Sure. Thank you so much for joining. Which bike are you going to riding today?
I'm doing the Big Sur, and my daughter Emma right there, she's going to be riding the Key West.
Awesome.
So
thank you.
Appreciate you guys sending us and supporting us with those two bikes.
No problem.
Very nice. We've been enjoying them.
Thank you.
All right.
Hi.
So, water bottle,
Grab.
the Key West, appropriate for Florida.
Yeah,
Definitely. Appreciate that.
Yeah.
You want a water bottle? You want a keychain?
Yeah, you can get a pink one.
She's just catching that some video footage for us. And can we grab a shirt? Grab a shirt. If you have something for my size, I'm a big guy, right? So there we go. Something like that.
These are Asian sizes. You need I'm a 3XL right here.
Do you have a 3XL? Because this is a 2.
This is a 3XL.
Like a 6XL.
What did you say?
Say it with love.
3XL is the biggest we have. You can just take it down.
That's all good. Thank you. Appreciate it.
And,
Appreciate it.
Here, the arm gloves.
The what?
Right here. See what's here?
Oh, for the sleeves. Yeah.
And this is you can put your phone, wrap it around your arm.
Oh, nice. So their last store was about as big as this right here.
Yeah.
If you remember, I don't know if you went down there, but
I don't remember.
Cybervello, I'm not familiar with that brand. And we got
Santa Monica.
They got AIM, I think that's Magnum over there at the M.
Yeah.
And they said
I saw a couple of those out there too.
Here's another
Yeah, Big Sur.
Here's another Aima one. This is the Santa
The
Monica,
blue.
which
Bluish
is,
gray is kind of nice.
I like that color a lot.
Your sign, go read it.
Oh, yeah, it's class 2, 12 amp hour battery, 12.8. Yep. 27 by 5 tires. I like that color.
That is actually a really nice color.
I like that color a lot.
And it's still kind of Florida-y. It's still...
Ooh, I like that better
You
than I
don't
like.
see
I
the
would-
Key West very well. That should be like
That
white
should be
or
white.
something.
Yeah. I would ride this where
that's-
I don't necessarily want to
Well,
ride
that's
that.
because you're a guy and you don't like pink.
No, I don't like
As a
it.
girl, I like pink.
So Emma likes it.
But I do
don't
like the
it.
blue too.
I do.
I think it's cute that the little balloons match the colors. Look at the balloons.
Oh yeah, that's cute. Cool.
Nice.
Cool.
So I wonder, do you think this one is the giveaway? Sorry, I just like ran into
I have
you.
no idea.
Because
could
well, they
be.
both have balloons on them, so that's why.
Or they've got one that's being test ridden out here. It could be that one too.
I don't know.
Hey, I just wanted to say thank you for all of your friendship, your customer service, your customer support here. We wanted to just kick off the Key West e-bike made by Aima here at our Florida e-bike shop. We're so excited about it. Thank you for joining to be a part of the ride on Siesta Key. Just a couple of things we want to go over. Number one, we want to be safe. If you need a helmet, let us know. We've got some extra helmets here if you forgot yours or not and didn't bring one. But I think the plan of action is to be a part of the ride and then come back here to the shop. I'll have a taco truck here at the end of the plaza after we get back. So thank you again for your support and all that you do. We appreciate it, and let's have fun and be safe.
Hurrah! All right.
I'm kind of.
Having fun with those little blinkers?
Yeah.
She's having fun with the blinkers. I heard them.
I don't know how you can.
They're kind of loud.
It is nice though, because not all of them have indicators on it, so sometimes you forget that they're even on.
Yeah. So hey guys, I have Chow here from Aima Tech. We're gonna talk just a few minutes about, you didn't get started?
No, Sorry, trying to make sure it's actually, okay, yeah, it's on, sorry.
All right, guys, I'm here with Chow from Aima, and we're just going to talk a little bit about the company and how you guys got started, how big you are, some of your other products. So introduce us to your company.
Yeah, my pleasure. My name is Chow Yi, and I'm the general manager of Aima e-bike. So our company actually started in 1999.
1999.
Yes,
that was a while
that's
ago.
when our company first established.
Okay.
And we've been in business for over 20 years. Our bread and butter actually is for making those e-scooters, electric scooters and electric motorcycles.
Scooters and motorcycles.
Yes, so that's
Okay.
our bread and butter. So we
Okay.
have 9 manufacturers clients in China.
Okay.
And just about 2 years ago, in 2023, that's when we started entering the U.S. market with our e-bike product.
And-
because that's what's popular here.
Was Florida e-bikes one of your first stores? Because I remember
Yes.
seeing it about 2 years ago, and they said,
Yes.
"Hey, we've got this brand new product in called Aima," and I looked at it and said, "Oh, that's kind of cool." And then that was it. So that was about 2 years ago.
Yes.
All right.
yes.
Cool.
Florida e-bike actually was one of our very first partners
Okay.
in Florida.
Okay.
So we've been, 2 years into partnership. It has been an amazing 2 years with Florida e-bikes.
All right.
They do an amazing job for servicing the community, servicing the customers.
Nice.
So we couldn't ask for any better partners.
Yeah, that sounds good. Sounds good. So scooters and motorcycles are your primary. Now you're getting into bikes. Do you sell scooters and motorbikes in the United States or only e-bikes?
For now, we're only selling e-bikes in the United States.
Okay.
But we've been selling electric scooters and motorcycles to the Europe markets,
Okay.
Southeast Asia market, East Asia market.
Sure. And I bet it's really
Latin
big there,
American
right? Because
market.
that's the primary mode of transportation in
Yes.
a lot of those places.
Yes.
So
Overall, we sold like 80 million units worldwide.
80 million worldwide.
Yes.
Woo! That's a pretty big sized company.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
that's
We're
pretty
the
big.
second largest manufacturer, e-mobility manufacturer.
Mobility. Nice. All right, so let's talk about a couple of the bikes now. You've got like 4 or 5 different models now, right, for e-bikes?
Yes. Right now we have 4 models.
4 models.
Yeah, with the latest addition to our line.
The Key West, and the Santa Monica, which is this one right here.
Yep, that's the Santa Monica. It's just 150 watt motor.
Yep.
And,
It's got a thinner tire, so it's a little more of like a cruising style bike.
yes.
And then what I'm riding right now is the Big Sur, and I love the Big Sur because it feels so good to pedal it.
Yeah.
The torque sensor on it is just really nice and smooth, so we're really enjoying that. So I got the Big Sur, and then you have this other one over here called the Sport. Is that what that is right there?
Yes.
Which is a 20-inch tire.
Yes.
model.
Actually, the Big Sur you were riding today,
Uh-huh.
that was our flagship model.
Oh, was
the
it?
First model we introduced to the U.S. market back in
Okay.
2023.
Okay.
So we named after this magnificent, state park,
Yep.
Big Sur.
Yep.
So
Outstanding.
yeah, then a couple months later, when we received really good feedbacks, then we thought about introducing the second model, which is the Big Sur Sport.
Nice. And that's about the time I met the folks here at Florida e-bikes is when that came out, because they said, hey, we got this brand new bike that just came in,
Yes.
and they showed it to me, and it was just really nice looking. So
Correct.
Nice.
Yeah, it has been our best-selling models so far.
The
Because
the
of,
Sport?
yeah, because of its lower center gravity. So
Right.
it fits, all demographics.
Yeah.
All people of ages.
I'm a bigger guy, but I still prefer a 20-inch tire bike. I just feel better on it. I mean, it's easier to maneuver, especially in tight places or small areas. And I do a lot of trail riding in various places where you got some tight turns. And I always prefer just a 20-inch tire bike over something really large because it just takes a little bit more to turn it, just bigger and bulky.
Absolutely.
But I surely like it.
Because it has exact the same specs
Yeah.
as the Big Sur 26-inch, but packed in a smaller
A
frame.
smaller frame, smaller
Yeah,
tires.
Much lighter, 74 pounds,
Nice.
and just feels more nimble, easy
Yeah.
to maneuver.
Yeah.
So people love it.
Outstanding. Outstanding. All right, and I think we covered all of them then. So we talked about each one of the models you have. Do you have anything new coming out that you can share with us?
Oh yeah, this is our
This is
latest.
new. This is the latest. This is already here.
Yeah, today's
What's
the
coming
launch
after
today.
that?
There will be another like a hardtail electric mountain bike style.
Really?
Called the Rocky.
The Rocky.
So
Okay.
it will be available by the end of this next month.
Oh,
November.
okay. So not too long. So you're going to
Yeah.
have a couple new models come out here real soon. Very
Yes.
good.
Then right after that, we have the Big Sur 2.0. will be releasing soon.
Nice.
Yes.
What kind of new changes are you going to have on that? Anything you can
We
share?
got some 20 amp hour battery upgrades.
Yep.
And better display screens.
Yep. Nice.
We got more smart features like sensor swap. You can switch between.
You know, that's huge, especially for people who are not sure about e-biking. They're just getting into it and they don't know what they want, right?
Yes.
They don't know which was better. A lot of people that I communicate with, they don't even know that there's a such thing as a cadence or torque. They don't know there's a difference. And once I introduce them to that and say, let's go for a ride, this is what this feels like, this is what that, they're like, wow, I had no idea there was such a difference.
Yes.
So this new technology that came out this year, I mean, your company, there's a few other companies that are starting to use that. So you can switch between the two, I think is spot on. I think it's really smart because now, if you don't know which style of riding you like, it doesn't matter, you can just choose at a push of a button.
Yes,
Right?
you're absolutely correct.
Yeah, so
And
that's smart.
even better with the new display screen upgrade is that you come with some other smart features.
Yeah.
Like incoming call and text messaging alert.
Right.
So during your riding, you'll see, the prompt.
The prompt to come up on the screen telling you that. Yeah, see, that's also very nice features. Yeah. Sounds good. Well, hey, I appreciate your time today. Appreciate you taking a minute to talk with us.
Thank you so much.
And we sure enjoyed the event that we just finished up with, the riding events and the launch of the Key West. And thank you. Hey, guys, if you have any comments, drop them down below if you have questions. And make sure you go out there and check out Aima Tech. We're going to have their website link down below as well. We're going to see you in another video real soon. Ride responsibly, ride smart.
Thank you.